In this video, I will be giving you my BetMGM app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. BetMGM is one of the biggest names in online sports betting and casino gaming, and their app brings everything together in one place. Whether you're interested in sports bets, live odds, slots, or table games, BetMGM claims to offer a smooth, secure, and highly rewarding experience. But does it actually live up to the hype? Here's what you can expect. BetMGM's biggest strength is its sportsbook. You can place bets on a huge range of sports, from football, basketball, tennis, and UFC, all the way to niche events depending on your location. The app updates odds instantly, making live betting easy and exciting. Browsing markets feels smooth, and the app is designed so even beginners can quickly find a bet type that makes sense for them. The casino section is also packed with options. You get slots, blackjack, roulette, live dealer tables, and exclusive MGM-branded games. Everything loads fast, the interface looks clean, and the variety keeps things from getting repetitive. For people who enjoy switching between sportsbook and casino, BetMGM makes the experience seamless. BetMGM also offers bonuses and promotions, which is a big attraction. New users often get welcome rewards, and existing players can access daily boosts, parlay bonuses, free spins, and challenges. The more consistently you play, the more rewards you'll see. Just make sure to read the terms because some bonuses come with wagering requirements. However, BetMGM does have a few downsides. Withdrawals can take longer than expected depending on your payment method, and bonus requirements can be confusing for new players. The app is also not available in every region due to gambling laws, so your features may vary. Another important point is responsible gambling. BetMGM includes safety tools like deposit limits, timers, and self-exclusion options, but it's still up to users to manage their own habits. Overall, BetMGM is one of the most polished and feature-rich betting apps available. It's reliable, beginner-friendly, and loaded with options whether you prefer sports or casino games. If it's available in your region, and you use the safety tools wisely, BetMGM can offer a fun and rewarding experience.